Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download a Reels video from Instagram. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. After that, log into your account and you will land on the home page. Now, find the Reel video that you want to download. You can look for it either in your feed or by searching in the Explore section. Once you find the reel you want, tap on the Share icon that appears on the side of the video. From the options that appear, select Copy Link. This will copy the Reel's link to your clipboard. After copying the link, close the Instagram app and open any web browser on your phone. In the browser search bar, type Snap Insta and open the website from the search results. When the website opens, you will see a box where you can paste the link. Simply paste the Instagram Reel link that you copied earlier. After pasting the link, wait a moment for the website to process the video. Once it loads, you will see the Download button appear on the screen. Tap on the Download option and the Reel video will start downloading directly to your device. That's the simple method you can use to download Reels videos from Instagram using a browser. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.